Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a fuel pump. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting your vehicle's battery and relieving any residual fuel system pressure. Next, gather all the necessary tools, such as a specialized fuel line disconnect tool and a good set of wrenches. Always ensure you are working in a well-ventilated area to safely manage any fuel vapors. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and safe repair process. Once your vehicle is safely elevated on jack stands, you'll need to locate the fuel tank. It's usually found underneath the rear section of the vehicle. Before proceeding, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors attached to the fuel pump assembly. Then, using your specialized tool, detach the fuel lines. Be prepared for a small amount of fuel to spill, so have a drain pan ready. With the fuel lines and electrical connections detached, carefully lower the fuel tank enough to access the top of the pump. You might need a second person for this step. Once accessible, remove the retaining ring or bolts holding the old fuel pump assembly in place. Gently pull out the old pump. Install the new pump, making sure the new gasket is seated correctly for a leak-free seal. Now, carefully raise and secure the fuel tank back into its original position. Reconnect all the fuel lines and electrical connectors, ensuring they are tight and secure. Before starting the engine, perform a thorough visual inspection for any signs of fuel leaks. Turn the ignition to the on position a few times without starting to prime the fuel system. Then, start the engine and check for proper operation. Also, for a great read on personal finance, check the description for a link to *The Simple Path to Wealth* and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.